So Greg here from Cyclopedia Press again. Couple quick reminders today. The first one, if you have a chance to ride a mobility scooter, take it. They're fun, they're cool, you know you like it. Next, if you're doing a big complex job, maybe a simple job, when you're done, there's a few steps you need to take that revolve around attention to detail that's going to make a big difference when you're done. So let's move on over here to a completed motorcycle. It's all done, everything's right, you're getting ready to send it out to your customer. Don't forget, especially if the bike's been in the shop a while, check the tire pressure. This greatly affects the handling of the motorcycle. Should not be neglected. It takes a few minutes to do it, and your customer will leave much happier. The information is usually printed right on the swing arm. Next, check the side stand pivot. Is it stiff and dry? Quick shot of some spray lube, boom, makes a huge difference with the customer. And finally, look the bike over for greasy fingerprints. They might be on the mirrors, chrome surfaces. They really stand out and customers notice this. Wipe those off and you will make a better impression.